The great Cathie Wood has sold Tesla stock. Does that mean you should sell Tesla stock? Well, I'm going to say no. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you why. Just because Cathie Wood has sold Tesla stock does not mean you should sell any stock out there, because your plan is different than Cathie Wood's and her company, right? And I think that's so important, because I think a lot of us tend to follow where the money goes or where the money is coming out of, and this is just not the best plan. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly why that is and why I'm still holding Tesla and why I bought in at $173 and $177. I put in about $23,000 into Tesla stock, and I plan to hold and not sell anytime soon. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Before I get started, don't forget to drop a like. I would love to get this over 50 likes. It's a Tesla video. I know it's not going to get out there like a Mullen video is, but if you could like the video, that would help me out a lot, especially if you hold Tesla. This is going to be a good video that you're going to want to see. Think about subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. I make Mullen content every single day. Tesla and a company called Luminar Technologies, which is absolutely on fire. So stay tuned later today. I'll be giving you an update on that stock, over 8% yesterday. But yes, the famous Cathie Wood has sold Tesla, and it's crazy to think that she had a horrible year last year. You think you had a bad year? Cathie Wood had a horrible year last year. She believes in investing in high-risk stocks. In 2022, those stocks got hammered. I got hit hard. A lot of people got hit hard last year, but Cathie Wood definitely got hit hard. So Cathie Wood sells $98 million worth of Tesla shares ahead of possible Fed-induced market volatility. So does Cathie Wood know something that we don't know? Well, we will find out. I'll tell you right now that Tesla is actually trading at $251 pre-market. Now the RSI, I'll show you on the charts in a minute, but I'm looking at the weekly. Especially if you're part of the Patreon, you know I'm very bullish on Tesla. I gave you my price targets. If you want to know exactly where I think Tesla is going, possibly by the end of 2023, join the Patreon today. It's $7 a month. It's honestly a steal for the value that I bring. Over 139 active members in there, and you get access to the private Discord. It will not be $7 for much longer. Then it's going to be moving up to 10, and then we're going to jump from there also in a couple months. So we'll see you in there. But 251, the RSI, I'll just tell you right now, is at 86 though. So you want to be aware. This might be a reason why Cathie Wood sold, because we might get a pullback. We are very overbought right now. So you can see that Tesla profits after the stock surged 131%. So it's not a bad idea to take profit. If you follow my trading strategy, I'm more conservative. I believe in taking profit, even if you don't sell the top. They sold over 393,000 shares of the EV maker Tesla. Now, anyone that has been subscribed to my channel, you are probably up on this because I told YouTube about Tesla, but I bought in right at this yellow line right here. Especially if you're part of the Patreon, you should be up over 40% right now on Tesla. Especially if you bought calls, then you're probably sitting very pretty right now. But what I want to show you guys, because I care about all of you and I care about the people, and yes, Mullen stock has been a disaster, but these other stocks that I've been covering have been doing very good. All right, so Tesla, you want to be aware that the RSI is getting into overbought levels. So definitely do what's best for you. Of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor whatsoever. This is just my own opinion and what I think could happen next with the RSI being at high levels like this, being 86. Even if we get to 90s or even higher than 90s, those are very overbought on a daily time frame. I'm looking more at the weekly. So again, if you're part of the team, you understand exactly where my mindset is at with Tesla stock right now. But for everyone else that's holding Tesla, be aware, and this might be a reason that Cathie Wood ended up selling a little bit, because we know she's a portfolio manager, so she might have been moving money from her left pocket to her right pocket, basically, right? So she's just selling to put this stock into an undervalued stock right now that might not be as overbought as Tesla. Guys, this is gold, just letting you know, and I'm giving this to you for free. So if you start to understand how the RSI moves and the stochastic, then you're gonna do very well moving forward, especially the rest of this year. I will say I did add a new tier to my Patreon. Check it out. It's totally free if you wanna check it out, but it's tier 6. And this is more one-on-one coaching where I'm gonna help you start to understand really how stocks move and just help you overall just make more money this next year. So check that out if you want to. You also wanna be aware we are entering the 1618 level, which is actually at 259, 260, call it. So with all of this, with Fibonacci's and the RSI, it's not a bad idea to take profit in my opinion, but for me, I'm holding right now. It's gonna be interesting what comes out from the CPI data. By the time you see this video, it'll be later in the afternoon, but just wanted to give you a heads up on where Tesla is going and what I think could happen next. Of course, I appreciate a like if you want. If you want to click join and support the channel, I appreciate that. If nothing else, we'll see you on the next one, and thanks for watching.